Hello, fellow bikers and motorcycle enthusiasts. I hope you're doing wonderful today. Welcome to the Bearded Outlaw. Today, we are going to talk about how to install a crash guard to a Royal Enfield Classic 500cc motorcycle. This is just a basic clamp and bolt scenario. We have an airfly engine guard. Fittings required are a rear clamp, 4 U-bolts, M8 and M10 nuts and strap with associated wrenches. That would be a 14 and 16 respectively. First off, we are going to fix this bracket to the lower end of the motorcycle frame using the nut and bolt. Be sure to use a washer. We insert the bolt at the lower end of the motorcycle frame. I shouldn't have worn these thick gloves for this simple installation job. Alright, so here's the washer and the nut. Once the bolt is through, you put the washer at first and then screw the bolt using the fingers. Screw it tight. We will be using 2 number 14 wrenches to complete this process. Ensure it's completely tightened and make sure it doesn't move. I left my phone on the seat of my motorcycle. Next up, here is the airfly engine guard. Now I'm going to position it along the frame of the motorcycle. Look just like this. Yes. U-bolts, unscrew and then place it with the strap of the U-bolt facing the rear part of the motorcycle, and make sure it gets some assistance while doing it, just in case. Tighten the U-bolt. Here I am using M10 nuts with an 18 wrench. Make sure it does not fall off when you go over to the other side. Repeat the same process here as well. The reason I am using spring washers this side is that I lost a couple of M10s, so resorted to M8 nuts, which is much smaller than the bore on the strap of the U-bolt, as you can see. Then I tightened the bolts using a 14 wrench. Care should be exercised to tighten them evenly. You have to tighten both the U-bolts on either side evenly, or else you'll have an uneven crash guard. Here is the rear clamp. This guy goes right at the top end of the motorcycle frame. Cheers. What do I say next? Yes. Here I am placing the U-bolt with the strap facing the forward part of the motorcycle. And you guys know the drill. Same old. Tighten the nuts by hand at first, evenly on either side, and repeat the same procedure on the other side as well. Next, let me brief you. Why do you need a crash guard in the first place? As the name suggests, it protects the motorcycle during crashes. Reason is that the crash guard is wider than the lateral body of the motorcycle. It gets the first hit during any crash unless you collide head-on. This crash guard gives your motorcycle a distinct look while adding a layer of protection. It is made from 32mm mild steel tubes. It comes with the dual coating for corrosion resistance, also available in polished stainless steel. It took me approx 20 minutes to complete the entire installation, and please watch the B-roll.